Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Let's unbox a brand new style from Raquel Welch. Okay, it's an exciting day. Brand new launch from Raquel Welch. I am wearing my Simmer Elite in Shaded Cappuccino. So that's what I have on right now. But we're going to unbox Director's Pick. And the color is RL1923 SS, which of course is Shaded Biscuit, my favorite blonde Raquel Welch style. I purchased this wig from Wig Studio One. If you'll go to the drop down box below this video, you will see a link there where you can purchase this. Okay, so excited to see this new style. Comes to box like that. Now this has their LuxLite Cap. I read up all on it, and it has the LuxLite Cap, of course, hand-tied cap. Oh gosh, always so pretty. The netting was just barely on there, but that happens in shipping a lot of times. That netting will work its way off the wig. Okay, so this has a wide mono part and an extended lace front. Sure you see that. Hand-tied cap, temple to temple lace front. Now, it has these silicone, they're calling these removable silicone ear tabs. They also have that on the extended nape. So, as you can see, there's some light stitching around there. You could remove that if you wanted. I like that. I think it gives it that little extra security, especially if you do not have any hair. And you could also put a little bit of wig tape there if you needed a little extra security at the ear tabs and at the nape. I want to call to your attention, there is some wefting right at the bottom here on that cap. The rest of this, of course, is all hand tied, beautifully done, Velcro adjusters. But I think that is such a nice thing they've done here, adding this removable silicone at the temple and on the nape. Okay, let's look at this color, Shaded Biscuit. I'm going to, of course, show you this in some outdoor lighting, different types of lighting a little later on. Oh, this is cute. Look at this style. It's got some wave in it. But let's talk about this color. Again, my personal favorite. I love Shaded Biscuit. I think it is so wearable. In my opinion, it is just a beautiful, beautiful color. Light ash blonde, evenly blended with cool platinum blonde highlights on a darker root. And this one, I really see the highlighting, the platinum highlighting in here. Wow, that's pretty. Okay, let's try it on and see how it fits. Okay, I can tell already it's a little large on me, a little bit. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this is a little long, and I can see that this bang is going to fall in my face a little bit. So we'll have to work on that, but that's not a problem. We can absolutely take care of it. Let me grab a wide tooth comb. Okay, wow, this is pretty. This is very pretty. Okay, lace front. There's my bio hair there and here, so it has good coverage. So you see that lace front, that's very well done. I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and gently brush through. Let me take this part out because, and this, as you saw, that part was a little wider. So you can move it around anywhere within that mono part. Wow, this is very pretty. Yeah, like I said, just let me brush through it just a little bit with a wide tooth comb. Heat-friendly fibers, of course. Lots of movement here. But again, this is fitting me large. Just want to let you know. Now, I recently just buzzed all my hair off, so of course things are going to fit me a little larger than they were when I had more hair, but I would take this up a little. I like the silicone at the ear tab. It's a very comfortable wig. Hand tied, like we were talking about. Of course, there's no permatease here. You can know this is all hand tied. Really pretty. I'm going to my normal, run a little water through it, separate it just a little. I do that. My personal preference, I make sure that the fibers are pulled away from the cap. I want to get all the movement I can to get the most natural look I can get. This has a lot of fiber. As you know, Raquel Welch wigs have a lot of fiber, in my opinion, on their wigs. So this is a medium density. You know, there's no permatease, but there's a lot of fiber. I just want to make you aware of that on these styles. Now, I'm going to use a little of my Hair You Wear hairspray. And you've seen me do this a million times. I pull it away from my face and I spray the front of it, hold it for a second, and you can see that takes it right off of my face. Now, that's a temporary fix. If you need it to stay off your face, you'll need to steam it. So I might, but you know, honestly, this works great for me. This will hold it. And I just am so used to doing that. Just about every time I put a wig on, I will give it a little spray there. And I don't have a problem with that. But there are some wigs I do steam if they are really ones that fall into your face. But this is really nice. Longer layers, sweeping bang. Now the specs. The bang on this is 5 inches. The crown is 10.25. The sides are 8 1/4. Back 9 1/2. Nape 6.75. And this one weighs 3.7 ounces. So don't have a mirror there, so hope that looks good in the back. This is pretty. I like these waves. Really nice. You could style this by taking this off your face on one side, on both sides. You know, it has the lace front, so you could wear it completely off your face if you like. There's not enough length here, I don't think. No, not really for a low ponytail. Just the smallest one if you wanted. But not really that much length there. So just a loose wave. The wave kind of starts, as you see, about ear level, and then it kind of has this wave here. So it kind of comes down, and then you have the wave starting out about ear level. Okay, let's look at this in some outdoor lighting.